I have I have curated this particular application where you can manage your expenses, investments, and settings. Okay, so you can change your this particular budget, EMI, whatever the amount that you have, like expected and recurring payments EMI. You can just check that, and you can add the categories as well here, and you can set the investments kind of a category. You can set it, and you can add your entire data management basically. So you can export this particular data. If you wanted to say, like if you wanted to download it, you can do it from your local storage. And if you just click on this import, you can like what I am trying to do it in the next video. I wanted to add a bank statement over here, so that in a dashboard each and everything get populated here in this particular column, like whatever the formats we have right in the banking statements, we can have create a table and we can add this particularly. So this is very manual work that we are doing. I just curated this using anti-gravity, using Gemini, which ID already anti-gravity is able to offer. I'm just setting here my like you can set your categories, budgets, and EMI. You can set the monthly income take home actually, right? So you can just select that basically, right? So you can do that as well, and you can add expenses here, income you can add it, right? So certain things you can add it here, and you can set it here. So let's suppose if I am adding a let's say expense about 2000, right? What is, you know, that what is this for 2000 for, let's say expense for going outing somewhere. So let's say I just do that. So you can just select a category here, let's suppose food and dining if you have gone. And if you just do this now, so if you just save the transaction, this can be done here. Okay, so this is done. Now monthly expense, it has total, it is showing in the card, right? So this is what like total balance, it is showing that minus 2000 minus total balance. So some issues are there, net worth across the accounts. Okay, we can fix that. Yeah, if you want certain things, we can have it here. Okay, so the reflecting is not happening right at the moment, but the plan of an action, plan of things which we have done right now, it's very great thing that we have built right now. And we will fix this particular in the next coming building. I'm trying to plan building in a public. This will be helping us, and let me know in a LinkedIn comment section, folks, what are the features that we can add it in a personal financial application, and we can do that as well. So let me know in the comment section, folks. So one back, another thing update is settings. In the settings, you can set your names as well. Okay, so maybe that option is not available, we can do that as well. Okay, so that is one missing I felt. Okay, so let's see what are the missing pieces, we can have it. And another issue is, like, if I am just toggling the dark mode, it is not able to happen. That one also we can fix it. In the settings, there are a lot of things. Profile section we can add it, but there is nothing. Options are available, and you can add the investments as well here. Okay, so you can add it here, like add the investments, like which kind of stocks you have invested, select type, which kind of things you have done. Each and every month you can track it here. Okay, so what kind of a mutual funds you have invested, what was the value basically is all about. And another one thing is date, you can add it here. Okay, date by date you can have an entry, and so that each and everything will be can be happen. So in the future aspects, what we can do is we can integrate, I can collaborate with any kind of a banks or any kind of a payments API, so we can integrate it real time data itself. So plan is right now we will just enter manually and track it. Okay, so in the future if I get this kind of a support from you guys, I will be going to build this thing, building more, adding more features into it. Maybe I can connect to the